welcome back to another IXL walkthrough video. This section is on 1.1.3 Write Variable Expressions, one operation. Alright, so at first we've got write an expression for the operation described below, subtract v from 10. So you have to be extra careful on the subtraction and division problems because the order in which you write them makes a difference, right? For example, just a little side thing. So like 3 minus 1, that's not the same as 1 minus 3. Okay, so subtraction cannot be flipped around. It is not commutative. That's the math word we have for that. Commutative, which addition is, right? So 3 plus 1 can be written as 1 plus 3. And that's also true when we're using variables, because variables are numbers that we just don't know. So we treat them like they're numbers. Okay, so anyway, so subtract v from 10. So if it ever helps, think of it as a number. If I'm going to subtract 3 from 10, you would start with 10 and then subtract the thing later. The same thing is with v. So anyway, there's your answer. Another level 1 problem. Divide u by 3. Okay, another good one to go over because division, the order makes a difference. So this one, we're starting with this, the way we're writing it, we can write it in this order. U is going to be divided by 3. So there's a couple different ways you could write it. I'm not sure if IXL lets you type it that way, or you could just write u slash 3, u divided by 3, or even u over 3 like a fraction. Any of those are acceptable for u divided by 3. All right, so let's take a look at a level 2 problem. Another subtraction, so fewer than means we're going to be subtracting 7 fewer than c. So you're taking the 7 from the c, therefore start with the c, subtract the 7. So just be careful with these turnaround phrases. Make sure it makes sense. Again, think about it with a number in place of c, maybe. 7 fewer than 20. If you had 7 fewer than $20, you would have to take 7 away from the 20. Right? Same thing here, even though it's a c. Let's take a look at another level 2. 5 decreased by d. So again, subtraction. Decreased, right? That means you're going down, you're subtracting. The way this one's worded, we do not have to turn it around. 5 is directly being decreased by the amount d. All right. Level 3, this will get you to the 80 level, and actually this will carry you all the way up to 100 if you kept going. So d divided by c. We kind of had one that was like this before, except now we have 2 variables, okay? And again, there's lots of ways to write division. D divided by c, that one would be acceptable. D slash c, and d over c, right? And one more example here. So finally, something that's a little different than what we've been doing. It says raise q to the 5th power. So when you see that word power, that's the same thing as an exponent. Right? Those little numbers written above and to the right of a number. That's called superscript when it's written up like that. But so q is the thing that's being raised. It's the base number, and the power is 5. So q to the power of 5. And if you press Shift 6, that allows you to write that that superscript value of 5. So Shift +6 on the keyboard will allow you to type something like that. Or I think IXL allows you to like click and choose otherwise. But it's always nice to learn those keyboard shortcuts. All right, good luck with doing that one.